This is my 2005 Toyota Camry, and it's fighting like it owes somebody money. The only code that it shows is P0442, small EVAP leak detected. And this EVAP leak, after a smoke test, is at the fuel intake shaft, right? And I know car guys will tell you if it's no check engine light, it's fine. All right, I know car guys actually don't say that. You gotta take care of your vehicle, and things to do is to detect things early and fix it before the check engine light comes on. I've already replaced the MAF, the intake tube, the gasket, plugs, coils, motor mounts, spark plugs, everything that I can think of to replace, and it stopped it from hunting. But it still shakes violently, enough to make the hood flex. And one day, I was just having some McDonald's. I was going through the drive through before heading home. And essentially, I looked down, and my temp gauge is saying, screw you, I'm done. Because it was basically through the roof. I mean, long gone. And I immediately shut down the car, turned on the hot air, and let it blow. And that cooled the engine back down so I could get it home. When I got it home, I checked the oil. It was good. So nothing wrong there. Then I immediately started looking at issues, and one of my fans didn't work. So I thought, okay, it's the fans. I was wrong. It was the fact that it had no coolant. It was literally the reservoir was dry. It took about 3 fills of the reservoir before there was coolant. So make sure you check your coolant first. And I can't exactly afford the part right now for the EVAP leak, as it's $110 part, and I don't really have that kind of dough just sitting around at the moment. So but if you guys want to watch me put that part in once I get the money, please like and subscribe to the video. That shows me that you guys want to see that. Anyway, I went to the dealership right here in El Paso, Toyota, and they told me to go and look at the injectors, the idle air control valve, and finally that the entire issue, that the reason my motor shakes like it's scared, is the EVAP leak. Which I knew that could have been a possible problem, but at the same time, I had no way to quickly and cheaply fix that. So they told me to look at the fuel injectors and the idle air control valve, both of which are about $50 parts. Now, this is my Camry's survival era, and this is part one. When I can afford the parts to fix everything, I will document it and show you guys. But if you guys want to follow the broke guy trying to keep a 20-year-old Camry alive, hit the like and subscribe. It helps my channel. And thank you for watching.